Hey, Rob Hyder here. I want to talk to you about selling your rundown home. We purchase these homes in this condition all the time. Sometimes there's some confusion, some unknown from home sellers, so just kind of want to go over some of the details associated with it. One, we have the ability to purchase them as is, fast and easy, a time frame that works best for you. If you want to close in 5 or 7 days, we can make that work. If you need 2 or 3 months, we can absolutely make that work too. The condition of the home often isn't the biggest issue for us because we are very comfortable buying them in as-is condition. A couple of things that you should know: you don't have to make the repairs. Obviously, it's an as-is condition. You don't have to get occupancy inspection. You don't have to get municipal inspections and walkthroughs. You don't have to get rid of the clutter. You can take the stuff that you would like, the things that are important to you, and leave the remainder of the stuff. We'll take care of it after we purchase the deal. You can work with our team here locally, located in St. Louis. Talk to Beth or Tony or one of the folks in our office, and we can absolutely make the process as quick and easy and as stress-free as possible for you. Beyond that, I think the key variables are just understanding that there are options and there are resources to help make this process as straightforward and as simple as possible. Unlike listing it and dealing with a realtor and having to have the house clean and nice and new kitchens and stainless steel appliances, doesn't need to be that. We deal with this every day, and we can help give you the best cash offer in as-is condition as possible. Please give us a shout.